Being in a forest brings us lots of sensory information, from the observed natural colours of the plant life around us to the feel of walking on the uneven ground. But here we're going to focus on the sounds of the forest. The following section provides audio clips of a few common forest sounds. I wonder if you can guess what these are, perhaps by closing your eyes and imagining yourself moving through the trees. Here is our first sound. Can you tell what it is? This is the sound of walking across the forest floor on crunchy leaves. There may be more of these in the autumn, when many trees shed their leaves, but in the summer, when the leaves have dried out, there can be quite a crunch. Here's the next sound. Can you guess what it represents? This is the sound of trees swaying in the wind. You may need to wait for a windy day to hear this fully, although there are often lots of rustles even on a still day. Here's another sound. This is the sound of a bee pollinating flowers in the forest. Insects and other invertebrates are very important for the forest, as we'll see later. Can you tell what this sound is? This is the sound we would hear when running a hand across a rough tree trunk. The trees provide important shelter for all life in the forest, and their roots help to keep the ground firm and stable. Here's the next sound. This is the sound we might make when brushing through lower-lying plants on the forest floor. These plants can provide important food for animals and shelter for invertebrates. Now here's a sound you'd hear in most forests across the world. This is the sound of birdsong. Countless species of birds make their homes in forests, including these magpies and this crow. In this clip you might also hear birdsong, but what's that other sound in the background? This is the sound of running water, where a river runs through the forest, providing another kind of animal habitat. Here's another sound you might hear. This is the sound of sticks breaking as we walk across the forest floor. You may not think of sticks being that important here, but they provide vital shelter and food for invertebrates like these woodlice. The breakdown of sticks and leaves by woodlice and other invertebrates helps to release nutrients back into the ground so more plants can grow. And finally, what's this sound? This is the sound of walking on a hard, stony forest path, the kind we might use when we've done our exploring and decide to head home.